Ever pondered over the idea of growing your own avocado tree? Well, today is your lucky day. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to unravel the mystery of planting and nurturing your very own avocado tree. Step 1, get your hands on an avocado pit. Next time you're indulging in a delicious avocado, save the pit, rinse it off and be careful not to remove the brown skin. That's the seed cover. Step 2, prepare the pit. Look closely at your avocado seed and you'll notice it's not perfectly round. One end is slightly pointier, that's the top. The flat end is the bottom. From the top end, insert 3 or 4 toothpicks. These will allow the bottom half of the avocado to rest in water while the top remains dry. Step 3, let's soak it. Place the pit in a glass of water, making sure the toothpicks rest on the rim of the glass and the bottom half of the pit is submerged. Keep it in a warm place, but not in direct sunlight. Now, the waiting game begins. In about 2 to 6 weeks, the top of the avocado pit will begin to split, and a stem sprout will emerge from the top, and roots will begin to grow at the base. Step 4, time to plant. Once the stem grows to about 6 inches, it's time to plant the seed in soil. Choose a pot approximately 10 inches in diameter, with a hole in the bottom for drainage. Fill the pot with nutrient-rich soil, leaving a small hole in the center for the avocado seed to rest in. Place the seed in the hole, ensuring that the top half of the seed is exposed above the soil. Step 5, water and wait. Water the plant generously and regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not saturated. Remember, patience is key when growing an avocado tree. It might take several years for your tree to bear fruit, but the satisfaction of growing your own avocados is worth the wait. Let's recap. You start by preparing and soaking an avocado pit. After it sprouts, you plant it in a pot filled with rich soil. Then you water it regularly and wait patiently for it to bear fruit. And that wraps up our guide for planting an avocado tree. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!